Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I just got a new smartwatch, and this is the Kieslect Lora lady calling watch. Okay, all inside the box we got user manual, smartwatch, additional strap, and the power cable. So we don't have the adapter, so you need to have additional adapter to connect and charge your smartwatch. Okay, and the charger is the magnetic, so you can just put it here and put it to the USB, and then it will charge. And we have the two of the strip. This one is the magnetic, and another one is like this one. It has the bling bling on here, so I'm going to take it out. Okay, so you can see here is the bling bling like this, and when you come up at the first time, the watch already have the battery inside it about 90%, and I just charge it until it's fully charged, and you can just press and it will show the time on the clock. And then we are going to connect it with the smartphone, and before you connect, the time is not the correct one, as follow your time zone. Okay, and now to connect this smartwatch to your smartphone, you need to download an app. Okay, and the app is called the Glory Fit. You can find on the Android or iOS. Okay, after you already download the app from the app store, and just open it and do some setup. For example, connect with your Facebook and confirm for the some information, follow its instruction, and then open it and allow it to turn the Bluetooth on. After that, select device, confirm, turn on your location, get back, okay, select again, and now you can see the Lora watch is here. And now just press connect to the Lora watch, and now it's connecting. Okay, after connected, you will see your Lora watch is now get to the correct time zone, and just confirm to pairing the Bluetooth. Allow access. Okay, and now you can make control to your Kieslect smartwatch. Okay, for example, I want to change the watch face. Just wait a minute. Okay, and now it show up. Okay, you need to wait. Successful load. Okay, now it show up a lot of function. Okay, for example, I like this one, and then just press synchronous dual, and now downloading, you will see this watch face go up to that one. Okay, now it's already changed to the smartwatch, and you can see the time zone. And this smartwatch, it's designed for the lady, and I compare it to my Kieslect KO Pro. You can see the size. This one is a little bit bigger, and this one designed for men. Okay, for example, when you wear it on your hand, you will notice the size different. This one is look smaller, and this one is the flat screen and curved screen. And you can also change the strap. Just press this one out. Okay, and you can make change to the strap and put it back. Press this one and put it. Okay, now that's it. That is all for today's video of the first time unboxing and setup for this Lora Kieslect Smart Lady Calling Watch. Okay, and I think now that is all for today, and thanks for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day. And please take note that all the function and the app is the built-in inside the smartwatch, and the app is the built-in inside the smartphone from the app store, so there's no additional function or additional app beyond this built-in inside the watch and inside the app store. Okay, now that's it, and bye bye again, have a nice day.